Things are too good to be true. Be very careful. It may be that one of the big men in the company is interested in her career. There was a simple test for this. Check on her secretarial skill. The smaller her abilities, the bigger her protector.
Now, Miss LaRue, I'd like you to do some dictation. Take a letter.
Shoot!
This is to a Mr. Gash. Dear Mr. Gash, pursuant to our discussion...
Wait a minute. Are you trying to catch a train or something?
Well, what are you taking this down in?
Longhand. It's safer. I make up for it when I type.
Oh, you type fast.
Like a jackrabbit. 12 words a minute.
Say, Henny, what was your last position before you came here?
I was in the tobacco business. But then Mr. Bigley said that...
Mr. Bigley?
Well, yes. He got me interested in tickets. And so I matriculated myself into business school. Well, here I am.
Yes, here you are.
Go ahead and dictate some more. I'm going to like this, Jack.
No, Henny, let that letter wait for a moment. I want you to take this to Mr. Gash.
Mr. Gash.
Henny, Mr. Gash is my boss. I want you to deliver it to him yourself. Henny,